Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore additional keyboard options on the Photomath application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the calculator button next to the red button in the middle of the screen. And the additional keyboard options can be discovered or explored by clicking on any key with a red dot in its right side corner. So if you tap on it and slide to the right side, you can select these additional keyboard options. As you can see, there are many of them that can be used. So that's how you can use these keyboard options. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.